Hey, Jim from IAG. With the release of our EasyLift soft top system, we've had an overwhelming amount of positivity coming from you guys and gals out there in Bronco land. But the most frequently asked question we've received is how does adding the EasyLift system to your vehicle affect putting back and removing your top? That's a great question, and I'm here to show you that no additional steps are needed, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. Let's get started. So there you have it. No additional steps are needed to put back or remove your top. So if you're interested in the EasyLift Soft Top Assist System, be sure to click on the link and order yours today.